Local news for Wednesday, the 13th of November. Masterton Police are appealing for sightings of a missing 25-year-old, Siamau Loti Talia. He was last seen by family in Masterton at about 2:30 last Thursday, the 5th of November. He was last seen wearing a long-sleeved white cotton neck t-shirt or shirt, blue navy shorts, and sometimes wears a plain black and white beanie. His family says his lack of contact is unusual and police have concerns for his well-being. Breadcraft Wairarapa and its Rebel Bakehouse in Cottage Lane will only use 100% kiwi flour by the end of this year. The first New Zealand bakery of its size to do so. Breadcraft Wairarapa, a family-owned business in Masterton, has been making bread for 76 years, supplying both national and international companies. And Wairarapa police have seized firearms and drugs in 3 separate incidents in Wairarapa recently. A disqualified driver was pulled over and the car searched, uncovering a shotgun. In another incident, a shotgun and knife were found after police located a person driving a stolen vehicle on Colombo Road. And last Sunday, police responded to an incident in High Street, recovering cannabis, methamphetamine and 2 pistols at the premises. 2 males and a female have been arrested. And 20 teams will compete tonight in the opening night of the Wairarapa Touch season and are affiliated with Touch New Zealand. The games begin and will this year being played at the Masterton Red Star Grounds with tap-off at 6 p.m. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.